guys, welcome back to another video. So today we have started Python. So this is the video of Python basics tutorial. So first we will learn that how to print anything in the terminal. So first we will type this function print, and after this we will type brackets, and I am using Visual Studio Code. You can also use Visual Studio Code, but for doing the Python programming, first you have to download Python Ideal, and after that you have to download Visual Studio Code so it can download the extensions for it and connect it to the path. Remember that. Okay, so we will put a double quote or single quote. It works still if we put double quote or single quote. So hello. Now we will start it from here, and let's see. Here's our terminal. See, it has printed hello. Okay. Now you will be thinking that in Python coding you have seen it asks what's your name, and after that it prints that again. So for that we will create a variable, an input variable, so it will ask the input. So our variable name should be name. If you want to just create a variable, so just put any name. Now see, it is blue color, so it has been created, but it's showing red because we haven't filled any information. So we will put input. Now see, it's not red. Okay, so it will ask what's your and see, I have put this single quote here because I've used double quote here. Okay, this will not work, so we can't put it. We will just do this. What's your name? Okay. Now this is perfect. Now we will put a question mark. Done. Now for printing it, we will just print it. So here we will just put the name. The name of our variable is name. Okay, now let's start it. What's your name? See, it's asking. Now we will answer Vedant. Because my name is Vedant. Wait, why am I writing here? Yes, right here. Vedant. So see, it works like this. So the computer is asking our name. It should read us, hi Vedant. So we will do like this. Yes. So first we will type F, and after F we will type this single quote. Remember this, that we have to put single quote, and then we will say hi, and then we will put this curly bracket, and here also after the name variable. So you have to do like this. In the end also you have to fill this single quote. Now you will type name of a variable. Okay, now it will work. See. Oh, where it is. What's your name? My name is Vedant. I'm typing it. Okay. Vedant. Hi Vedant. Okay, so we have completed these things. These boring things. We need some sound. So do you want text to speech? Okay, it's an extension. So for that we have to download it. For downloading it, we will go to terminal if you are using Visual Studio Code. Otherwise, if you aren't or using it, so you can also type cmd command prompt. See, it will come. You have to open that, and after that you have to search, type type here the name of it. Just PYTTSX3. Now press enter. Searching for it, and now see, it's showing that requirement already satisfied. I have already downloaded it now. Now let's go back to it. We will search import PYTT. See, it's here. PYTTSX3. Don't use any other extension, it will not work. I've tried many times. I support this only. So we will create a variable named engine, or you can also do okay. So you can just make this TTS text to speech. Now pursue, so it will be a variable. After that we will like this PYTTSX3 dot engine, not engine, init means we will initialize it. So in the Visual Studio Code it doesn't gives us this bracket. You have to type this bracket after that. Enter. Now it's done. We can just do TTS dot now save. Not save to file. Save. Let's go. Now see, saying that we have to type text, so we will type yes, hello, or we can just do that. Okay, yes, name equals to input or what is your name? Now this is also done. After that we will just move. Okay, now we will do that. Now single quote, and before that F and hello. Now this name done. Start. Wait, it will not work. But why we don't? Because we have not done anything. TTS dot wait, rather wait. Yes, and then this. Now it will work. So let's start it. Okay. Now let's tell it what's my name. My name is Vedant.
Hello, Vedant.
Oh. Wow. Thank you for greeting me. So please like my video, subscribe my channel. Till then, take care and bye bye.